Hello, Nancy Ogden West with Colorlab Cosmetics. I'm here to share with you an exciting self-care kit we've just put together just for you with special pricing at the same time. It consists of our African Red Tea Cleanser, our Beauty Oil, and our Double Back Age-Defying Beauty Balm. First of all, let's talk about the cleanser. The African Red Tea Cleanser is a creamy, light foaming, antioxidant-rich cleanser that gently cleanses, nourishes, and hydrates the skin. It's got rooibos extract in it, which is a powerful antioxidant and excellent anti-aging ingredient. Next, arginine. We know arginine is a peptide which works on firming and tightening the skin, along with poppy seed extract, which also instantly firms the skin. Then you have prickly pear extract, which is a powerful humectant and is loaded with vitamin B complex besides vitamin A and C. And then lastly, light willy extract fortifies, protects, moisturizes, and regenerates the skin. This formulation can be for all skin types. Next is your beauty oil. I love beauty oil myself. It immediately moisturizes, conditions, softens the skin, and ours also has antioxidant protection in it. It's lightweight, highly concentrated, multi-purpose, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. And it has a pure organic oils and extracts derived from fruits, plants, and flowers. One of the important ones that we have in there is called lupin seed extract, and that helps to sensitize the collagen. So it's an anti-aging and firming ingredient for you. And then it's backed with 15 other powerful ingredients that are concentrated to boost and nourish and protect the skin at the same time. Lastly, we have our Double Back Age-Defying Beauty Balm Cream. This is a multitasking, lightweight cream that primes, hydrates, lightens, firms, and invisibly improves the look of the skin. It starts right out with 3 powerful peptides in it, arginine, germaxol, and matrixyl T1000. So we know those are great anti-aging peptides for the skin. Next, it has your vitamins A, C, and E, which feed and nourish the skin and also have antioxidant protection. Then you have a deck of calming, soothing ingredients, AC, goatberry, green tea, chamomile, and cucumber to help calm the skin down. From there, 2 light lipids, shea butter and olive squalene. Also, lightening agents of bearberry and licorice root extract. And finally, prickly pear, which we talked about, is a very powerful humectant at the same time. So these 3 products create a unique self-care kit that is going to be wonderful for your clients. So not only are they going to want it themselves, but remember, Mother's Day is around the corner, so this would be great for them at the same time. Next, how are you going to get the word out there? Well, there's a few different ways. Well, first of all, social media is booming. They say that people are getting twice as many openings as they normally had before with social media. So if you're not involved with it, now could be a good time to do it. Maybe you want to go onto Facebook and you want to do a video for your clients that are out there, showing them how to use the product, talk about the ingredients, talk about the benefits that are in the product at the same time. Or maybe you want to hold an event on Zoom. With that, I think 6 is a good number to do at one time. You know, right now women are socially starved for other women to be able to talk with, since we're all sheltered in at this moment. So what's nice, they can see each other, they can hear the conversation together, and they can have a lot of fun at the same time. So step on it right now. It's a great time to get started with this. Self-care is huge at this moment. So call your executive sales associate and get your order placed today. Thanks.